How can you allow Steam to access your camera on the iPhone? Let me show you exactly how it works. And if this is your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you that way never miss the future updates and videos like this one. Anyways, when you have the Steam app installed on your device, it will most definitely ask you about some certain things. Like when you are using the app, you might get a pop-up asking if you want the notifications to be allowed, right? And so on. But if you go through the process and you come across a message asking you to allow camera or not, you get to decide it right there. But if you want to change it later, you can always open up the main settings app of the iPhone and find the privacy and the security section. So you can see this is where we get to manage which apps can access the photos, camera, and all of those other things, right? So you can find the camera right here, and all of the apps which have a requested access can be managed right here. If I don't see the Steam app right away, it is because I haven't come to a situation where the camera was required, right? So like the app hasn't really needed the access to camera. But once you get there, you will, of course, as I said, either allow it or not allow it. And then in the settings right here, this is the place where you can change it later. So you can always change your mind and allow the camera access, even though you might have clicked not allow at the beginning. But that is the whole thing behind it. Other than that, you don't really need to know more. So let me know in the comments if you actually made it work on your device. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to catch you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.